Hello viewers, welcome to my channel The Untold Story. Today I'm going to talk about the top 10 richest actors in the world as of 2020. You're going to listen to some fantastic quotes said by them. So, let's start. Sylvester Stallone. He's an American actor. We know him from the films Rocky and Rambo. He believes that there's an inner power that makes winners or losers. And winners are those who really listen to the truth of their hearts. Jack Nicholson. He is an American producer, writer, and actor. We know him from the movies The Crybaby Killer, The Raven, and The Shining. Amitabh Bachchan is one of the biggest names in the Bollywood. His net worth is $400 American, which are about 30 billion Indian rupees. Adam Sandler. He is referred to as one of the highest earning actors in the Hollywood. He once said, chemistry can be good and bad. It is good when you make love with it and bad when you make crack with it. Mel Gibson. He is a film director, producer and actor from New York. He is known for his performance in The Passion of the Christ, We Were Soldiers and Braveheart, for which he received Golden Globe in 1995. He quotes that, above all, the film is a business. Independence is a really cool thing as you can be a bit bolder and take a few more chances with what you do. Robert De Niro. Robert De Niro is an actor loved by many for both his past and present work. In recent years, he acted in the films Meet the Fockers, Meet the Parents, The Intern, and my personal favorite, Dirty Grandpa. His presence made a huge impact on it. You might remember him for his performance in The Goodfellas, The Godfather Part 2 in the previous century. George Clooney. He is an American actor, director. He has won several awards for his performance in Ocean's 11, Three Kings, and Syriana. Clooney has received success in multiple areas and he has not gone unnoticed. He says that he doesn't like to share his personal life because it wouldn't be personal if he shared it. Tom Cruise. He is a producer and an amazing actor. He is one of the best actors of all time and his movies have sold millions worldwide. He says that he disagrees with people who think that we learn more by getting beaten up than from winning. Shah Rukh Khan. He is an Indian actor. He is well known as King of Bollywood. He has received plenty of awards for his exceptional performance. His net worth is $600 million American, which are about 46 billion Indian rupees. Here we are on the number one position and it's Jamie Gertz. She is an investor and American actress known for her roles in films Crystal, Crossroads, Less Than Zero and Quicksilver. Although she didn't receive the level of success as many actors in this list, but she is a part owner of NBA team Atlanta Hawks with her husband Tony Ressler, which is the reason for her net worth being so high. Thank you for watching, and if you have any ideas or if you want me to do any video about a movie, please do mention in the comments.